So remember WhatsApp Plus, right? So Meta doesn't stop there. They've also launched Instagram Plus. And this subscription costs 37 Rand 99 in South Africa. And unlike WhatsApp Plus, I actually think more people will probably buy into Instagram Plus. Especially if you're a content creator or business owner, this could be a bit useful to you. So you get extra insights like seeing who's rewatching your stories, the ability to search through your story viewers, more profile customization options, and a few tools designed to help you understand your audience better. Now, as a content creator myself, knowing which stories people are actually watching over and over can be useful because that's the kind of information that can help you figure out what's working and what's not. But I feel like the bigger concern here is that it feels like we're entering an era where every single app has a premium subscription. We already have WhatsApp Plus, Instagram Plus, and between other apps like Netflix, Spotify, whatever else you're paying for, over time, these little amounts can accumulate to a lot and put a dent in your pocket. But anyway, are you willing to pay 37.99 per month for Instagram Plus? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to follow for more tech news where I'll explain it.